My call to the President is to put into action what he has said when he talked of Kisanja Hakuna Mchezo. We want to see it being Hakuna Mchezo, but if it continues to be like that, then we shall have seen no difference. Secondly, we need to find a way of implementing our laws. Our laws are so good. They have made laws, but they are never implemented. And if they are done, then they apply to some people, and to other people they don't apply. This is where we are failing as Ugandans. We need to come out clearly and then punish the culprits, so that others may get to know that if someone breaks the law, then there is a punishment or some repercussions upon that.